How to apply for Uber driver. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can apply for Uber driver. Where the process itself is pretty simple, so let me guide it through. However, there are certain requirements. To become an Uber driver, you need to sign up online, then submit required documents like a driver's license and vehicle registration, pass a background check as well, and then activate your driver status in the app. So what you can do is you can install the Uber driver app, right? Once you install it, open it up and sign up. Go through the sign up process and sign up. You'll have to submit the documents such as your driver license, your photo, your vehicle registration, and go through the verification process in detail. Now I'll not be making your video in detail, but that is what you'll have to do. Once you do so, you'll have to pass the background check and then activate your driver status in the app. If you do not get this app, you can head over to your browser and search in for Uber driver with option, and then go into the website, and you can sign up here on the website as well. So you can see sign up option, tap on sign up, and now you can go ahead here and sign up easily and then apply to become a driver. This is how you can do so. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.